Hello, I have with me today new Supvan printer here in this nice little box. Let's see what's inside. When we open the box, there is a user manual, USB cable to charge the printer, and obviously the printer itself. It's a nice little printer. I like the size and the design of it. It's quite neat. It just fits right in your hand. It's quite small, so it can fit to any table in your office. You can have it at home to print any labels you need just to organize your kitchen, your garage, or your office. The printer has already a roll with labels inside. It's very easy to load the printer. You just take the roll, put it inside, and click back. The printer is ready to print. There is no ribbon or ink or anything like that. The technology of printing is direct thermal printing, so you just need the roll with labels and you're ready to go. There is one button on the printer that turns on the printer. Also, it has a nice little feature. If you double click the power button, it automatically detects the end of the label, so you don't lose any labels. The printer has a built-in cutter. It's a manual cutter, so when you print a label, you just cut individual labels just very easily, and there's your label that you can already use. The printer has a Bluetooth that connects to your phone. It's very easy. You just download an application to your phone that lets you create any text, any picture, symbols, whatever you need, and it sends it directly to the printer, and you have your label. The application automatically finds the printer, so it's very easy to set it all up. Also, there is a accessory for the printer that you can buy. It's this neat little stand where you can just put your label and have it on your desk like that.